I'm just going to ignore the concealer that I got into my hair because we're going to ignore all our problems. Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by today. And as you can tell behind me, it was my birthday. My birthday was April 11th. Typically I will base my makeup look on the dress or the outfit that I choose to wear for that night, but since I didn't get a chance to actually like buy an outfit, I'm just going to do a look inspired by a few dresses I saw online. Let's see what I come up with. So I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty concealer. It's in the shade 350 as always. Let me bring you guys closer. I'm going to basically prime my eyes with this concealer. Soft Glam by Anastasia. And I'm gonna jump into the shade Burnt Orange. And I'm taking it on a Morphe M433 brush. Lights, so if they are too bright, I do apologize. I can't turn the setting down, so it's just on or it's off. I'm gonna take the shade Sienna from the Soft Glam palette and just put that slightly underneath Burnt Orange. The palette, and I'm going with the shade called Spot. I can't, let me see if I can show it to you right there. So Spot is actually like a satin glittery black. I've actually never used this kind of black before for this look, so let's just see what we come up with. To pack on the shade, I'm going to take an Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. I'm going to take this side. Pretty. You guys can't see it, but it's so pretty. The little shimmer still poked through. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, now we're gonna blend. I'm gonna take the same brush we used earlier. I'm gonna just dip it into Spot like this, go boop. And I'm gonna go on the edges and just blend into the other two shades. Do this eye off camera and be right back. I'm gonna just take Spot again on an angled brush. This here is from Morphe. It's actually for your eyebrows, but makeup is just fun. We just make our own rules. We're going to draw a line in our waterline. Let me bring you close. Now we're gonna stop, do the face, come back to the eyes. That's it, okay, back up off me. Dang. Let's go with the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. I'm in the shade Y445. Cause honey, I feel like if I was really going off for my birthday, I'm gonna need my foundation to last all day. Oh, and this is a Sephora, what's this called? It's a Pro Flawless Airbrush. It's in the number 56. I don't know if they still sell this one. Don't fight me if they don't, but they have some pretty good brushes at Sephora. Because I want to be soupity doopity 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 doopy highlighted, I'm going to take my Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Concealer in the shade 8. Supposed to be an upside down triangle. Shoot, you guys think I have passed geometry? You are surely mistaken. Take my Anastasia foundation stick in the shade Earth. I'm going to slightly contour. Mercier translucent setting powder. We're going to just set that out. Dark deepest to set that foundation stick. Lashes real quick. I'm using the Lilly lash. What is it called actually? Well, I lied to you guys. It's the Lilly lashes in the shade Goddess, and then I'll be right back. I just want to say these lashes gave me a run for my money. I don't even think this one's still on. I have not worn lashes in so long. I feel like my what do you call it, my muscle memory kind of forgot how this works. But we on there. So next. So I really want to incorporate glitter some kind of way. So I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. I'm going to take the, what are these called? Eye Candy Cosmetics. I'm taking the glitter pigment Yellin, what is it called? Yellin Melon. Maybe you guys can see that. Oh, that's so pretty. So pretty. I'm the disco ball you never knew you wanted. Next is highlighter. We're gonna go with the Artist Couture Illuminati highlighter. Add that glitter to my face. So let's see what I come up with. Good at symmetry. Nope. KKW Beauty pencil in the shade Nude 322, Nude 2. Max Kinkster. I don't even know if you can see that. It's like so little. Now I wasn't going to do this. I was going to keep it matte. I was going to keep it all the way matte. But then I thought to myself, no. So I'm going to take MAC's Lipglass. Do you guys understand? I would have been a black disco ball. I would have been your fantasy. had we not been on quarantine. I'm your fantasy right now. It's okay, you can admit it to yourself. No one's around you, I assume. I thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and just loving all my shenanigans. Even though we're not able to go outside right now due to the current situation at hand, we can still find fun, laughter, good times some kind of way. And I definitely do thank you guys for just taking that time to just spend with me. So until next time, stay safe, stay home, and stay hydrated. Bye.